Hey there! While browsing your app service, if you ever receive an error message stating 403 forbidden error, then please do not worry. It's a very simple fix. You have most probably enabled access restrictions on your web app, which is blocking access from the current machine to the web app. To resolve this, we would navigate to the Azure portal for the app service and then select Networking under Settings. Within networking, next to public network access, click on Disabled. Once we are here, click on Enabled from Select Virtual Networks and IP addresses. Under this section, you will find Site Access and Rules. Click on Add for your main site. Under the Add segment, you can add your IP address rule. Give a desired name and assign a higher priority number. And on the IP address block, just add your host machine's IPv4 address and then click on Add Rule. Make sure that it is set to Allow. Once you have set it, click on Save. Once the setting is saved, navigate back to Overview and you can try accessing your app again. And there we go.